So we have three parties: the school, the parents, and the driver, right? Okay. Hmm. Short name for the school, right? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. What's the difference between mobile app? Mobile app notification. That's different. Okay. Hmm. Very good. Hmm. Wha- wha- Okay, one question. When you say screen, it says there project module, sub module, and screen. When you say screen is what they can see in the web app or in the mobile app? Ah, in the web. Okay, okay, okay. That's important because we would like for it to be in Spanish. No problem. So you will send me a dictionary so I can translate and I send it back to you. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Great. Let me annotate that. That's a task. Uh, so, send me file with in English, right? You're sending me in English. Okay. English words. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah. Ah. Excuse me. The connection. The connection closed. Excuse me. The connection closed. Let me. Please accept the connection again. There. Okay. I'm back. Okay. Yes, I'm back. Okay, that is if I want to use my own map, right? But if not, I can use your license, right? Okay, that is my own the email to use the that is my email address and my username, or that's the school the principal's. Mhm. That okay? Let me see if I understand. That is hello, hello. Yes, I kind of lost you. Okay, so 1 second. Let me just put this. 1 second. Yes, can you hear me? Okay, now I have a question about this. This is for the this is a configuration for the application to use the email of the school to send notifications to the parents or to the driver. Hello. Hello. Yes. No. Yes. Right now I can hear you. So the question was, in this email address, username, password, host, this is for the school to for the application to use the school's email to send notifications to the parents and else. Hello. Okay. Hi. Yes. Yes, I'm here. So the question was about the email. Mhm. Did you get the question? Ah, the alert. Hello? Hello? The alerts. Okay, I understand. So it could be both email or SMS alerts. Okay. So I can send a mobile app alert also. Can I decide? Can I classify which types of alerts can be provided for which type? I mean, for example, I want some alerts to go in by email, others by mobile, and others by SMS. Can that is that possible? Okay, okay. Mhm. Excuse me, the branch is like for the school, you say. So if the school has various sites, uh, okay, okay. What if the school? What if the bus doesn't have a GPS device? Can it use the app as a GPS device? Okay, 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 okay. Good. Is there a is there a is there a difference? I mean, is it more accurate to use the mobile app or a GPS device in your experience? Okay. Oh, 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 okay. Understood. Understood. Mhm. Okay. 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 Okay, so I get a notification for each of the service reminders in the app, by email, or okay, okay, okay. Yes. Okay. Can I have various schools? I mean, let's go back a little bit. If I have one school, I can add several branches to that school. Is there a limit of branches I can add? Okay, and I can add as many schools as I need. Okay, let's continue. Mhm. Okay. Where do you put the the password? I didn't see. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. I can associate with one only, or I can associate it with various objects. Okay. If I need to change, then I have to go to the configuration and change it. Okay. Mhm. What if the school doesn't use what if the school doesn't use a GR number or a division? I have to put something. I can put the same number, or it has to be a different number for each student. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I understand. Hmm. One question. Is there only one parent per student? Oh, okay. Ah, okay, okay. I can register like the two mobile phones, and they can both have access. Okay, 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 okay. I can upload a picture. I see. I can upload a picture. Okay, oh, okay. O sea, I have to actually make the trip for the application to register it. Okay. They can do. Excuse me, I didn't understand the last part. Yes. Mhm. Okay. 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 Mhm. The student, I didn't see. You can add the students that are going into the trip. Mhm. 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 Oh. Mhm. Pickup timing is the whole time that the bus is taking for one student or for the whole trip, the whole route. Okay, so in that example, it will take 15 minutes to pick up all the students, for example. Yeah, I know. So, okay, but that's an estimated pickup time that I have developed, or or is it? But that's not the actual time because the actual time we will only know once the bus starts the trip, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, um, when I create the trip, the let me see if I understood. The bus driver is going to be having live information in the screen as he proceeds to the trip. Okay. Hmm.
Oh, sí, que no.
One second, please. One second, Kieran. One second, please. Oh, sí. Yo necesito. Sí, mi amor, pero yo ahora estoy haciendo algo. De eso tiene que llevarlo allá a la sala, porque ahora yo estoy trabajando. Ah, pues ponte allí, mi amor, en el cuarto si tú quieres usarlo. Es que yo estoy haciendo algo aquí. Gracias. Hello. Hello. Okay, I'm here. So you were saying that I can add the add point, that is the like the starting point or the house of the parent of the student, and from that point I can. Mhm. Okay. Can it can it be a different starting point that other than the school? Okay. Okay. One question. Uh, this is the option for the driver to create the trip. You also said that there is an option to create the trip from the mobile app also, from I mean from the web app, from web. So how do I create the trip from the web? I mean, I have to go through each. I have to like draw the trip in the map, or how do you do it? Hello, hi. I'm. Oh, let's see. Hello. Yes, now I can hear you. Yes, hello. Ah, okay. He has to actually do the trip. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, sí. Bueno,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, it was on hold for something, but I can hear you now. So I can see that I mean we're looking at the okay the history of the trip, right? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So in if I have to use, I mean I have to if I want to add a student. The first day, the driver has to go there by using like written directions, and then click on the create trip, and then it will be able to put it into the application. What happens if I have a trip created with like let's say 10 students, and I want to add an 11th student, the student number 11 that is in the route. How do I add one student? I mean, I have to go through the trip and create it there, or I can create that trip. Uh-huh. Mhm. Okay. Okay, and after I create the student, I can assign the trip for that student. I mean the trip, no, the direction, the route. Yes, I can add when I add the new student, I can say, okay, from James Lewis house to that new student house to the school, I can add that. I can decide or define that. Mhm. Mhm. Yes, the question that I have is that that trip that route that is showing for James Lewis, it was because the driver actually drove from one point to the student house, right? So after I add the new student, I have to do the same. I have to create that route. No, no, I understand that. Let's define something. There is the trip, which is like every student where I have to pick up and all the information. But then there is the route, the actual map route that I have to take to pick up that student. So I understand that first you create the trip, then you add the student, and then after you add the student, you have to define the map route that you are going to use to pick up that student. So that's the part that last part is the one that I don't understand. How can I add the new student after I have 10 students? How do I add the 11th? Not the student per se, because I know you explained that I can add the student in the trip. But how do I indicate the map route for that new student? I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Okay. So I go into the web app, and after I assign the student to that trip, I have to tell him where I have to tell the boss where in the map is that student going to be picked up. No? Mhm. Okay, and I do that from I decide define that. Hello, hello. Okay, I define that from the web app or from the mobile app. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, now I see. So the start point and the point one are not necessarily the same. Okay. So for like start would be like what my parents' house, if I'm the student, and point one would be 1 block from my parents' house because that's where I'm going to. Okay, I understand now. And the end point, what is it? The school? Okay, okay, now I understand. Okay. So that's the parents' responsibility. That's the parents' responsibility to add the point where the student is going to pick up. Okay, okay. Okay. Do the school receives does the school receives a notification each time the parent changes the pickup and the pickup point? Ah, the school. Yeah, the school. But the school will receive the notification. So, if let's say one morning the driver is going and the parent suddenly changes the the pickup point, then only the driver will know at that particular moment. Hello, hello. Yes, you were saying that out of the. Uh-huh. The list of students. Mhm. Yes. Yes, the only problem I see is that the driver is going to know it that same morning when he is going, for example, when he's going to pick up the student, right? Uh, yeah, I know, but it would be nice. I'm not saying that it's not well, but it would be nice for the school board or the administrator to receive a notification. Okay, this parent changed the route, so that okay, I need to prepare the driver so that he knows, or I can check because you know parents can mess with the application. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm going to change the route or something, and they can make a mistake. Okay, so okay, okay, good. Let's continue then. Yes, yes, I'm here. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I didn't follow that last part. The start location and the end location is from the school to the to where? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. What that the status means? I see that it's red. What does that mean? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Ah, one question. That doesn't need to be defined student by student, right? That is for okay, all branches, name. I mean, the if one parent says, okay, I want to be reminded of the pickups, but not of the drop-offs, is that possible? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. All the students in that bus, for example. Okay. Okay. There it says users. It says users there. Do I define the parents or what does it mean by user? Ah, okay. Okay. Hmm. So I have to add, for example, various types of alerts. I have to add one by one for the alert types. I have to create one alert per alert type. Okay. Hmm. Well, I see that it's I can understand now with live data. I would like to see about the geofence for the alerts of the geofence. How do you configure it? How does it look like? Mhm. Okay, okay. So, for example, when you configured in the parents app, when the parent configures how many kilometers does it want the notification from, that doesn't have anything to do with the geofence. Okay, okay. It would be that notification is only for the parent. Okay, so that they say, okay, the bus is coming, it's 1 kilometer away, I have to be ready. That's it, right? Okay, I understand. And when you say, just for the use case of this, when you say home when you created that geofence, you said, okay, the school. I understand that you want to receive a notification for the school. What would be home in that notification? Hello? Hmm. Yeah, I'm sorry, I got caught. When. Mhm, mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay, that's all right. So I can create any help fence that I need in any part. I mean, for example, if my students are going to a faraway college or faraway school, and they have to go through a certain traffic post. I don't know how you call it there. When you pay, we have to pay to enter a road. Uh, a toll, yeah, a toll, for example. Yes, hello. You don't have the toll option alert, but I could configure a health fence through the toll area so that it can say, okay, they went through the toll already, for example. Exactly. Okay. Then I understand. The other question is, let me remember. That's the geofence and the. Could you please go to let me see. If you, do you see uh, my pointer? Okay, here. No, to the configuration again. Then there, no, general. Click on okay, the driver. No, no, it isn't there. Would we have reports? Go to reports, please. Okay. Driver behavior and I know that fuel, what fuel means. I mean, but that needs to be connected to a GPS device, right? Okay. Okay. And driver behavior also needs um, a GPS device. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I understand. Well, then, very good. When there are three apps, right? Three mobile apps: parents, school, and driver. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is there a difference? I see. I've seen the parents and the driver. Can I see the school or manager app? Mhm. Okay. Miguel, ciérrame la puerta, por favor. Está cerrada. Okay, I understand. Is there a possibility that the apps, all the mobile apps also can be put in Spanish? Okay, so please send me all the Excel files, both from the applications and the web and the mobile, the web access, so that I can work on putting them in Spanish. I have no problem doing that. I see that the application you have is, I am pleased with your explanation. I think it's very clear. I only have a question about how can we start, because I didn't see the image. How can you see the camera images in the web access and in the mobile access? Does it have the possibility to access that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so if I have do I? Okay, so they cannot see the the live camera, but they can see like photos that of the trip. Okay, the live images. Okay, if they go there during the trip in show gallery, they can see live footage of the trip. But okay, the images. Okay, the images. So that is during the trip, or they have to wait until after the trip to see the images. Okay, how do you configure? I mean, the frequency of the images. Okay, because that needs the GPS device. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, for now that will be the end. I appreciate your time and patience in your explanation. I would like to know one thing. Uh, do you have a demo that I can access through the mobile app so that I can show all other people how to use this? Okay, yes, I would like that because I downloaded the app, but I don't have any. I mean, the first thing it asks is the school ID, and I don't have one. So I would like for you to create one from the parents' view, so that I can, as if I was a parent, so that I can show the parents, okay, this is what you're going to see, this is the alerts and everything. I don't need for now the driver or the school application, but I would like access to a parent application, a demo, of course. Yes, I mean, when I have the app already. It's like a demo access, so that I can do what you did in the parents application that I can show to the people. You could create like a fake school and a fake trip and a fake parent, a fake student, so that I can use that. I can say, okay, here is the application. This is you. This is the student. This is how you're going to interact with the application. That's because that will be a main selling point. Mhm. Yeah, please tell them it's for the parents application only for now. Okay, then that would be it. Thank you very much, Kieran. Mhm.